Hannah's wanting me to make this salad that she's been craving, so I figured I would show it to y'all. You just need to start with some shredded lettuce. So I'm making life easier on myself and bought it that way. And then you're going to want to chop up some pepperonis. Or if you also like making life easier on yourself, you can buy these little mini ones. Ain't they so cute? Now you're going to need some provolone cheese. Something flying around in here. You're just going to chop that up in little bite-sized pieces too. It's trying to stick together, but I just chopped it up in little bitty pieces. You got your meat and cheese in there. Now, I will say the original recipe that she had found called for salami and a chopped red onion, or at least part of a chopped red onion. But Hannah's a little bit of a picky eater, y'all already know that. And so we're gonna make it with just the stuff that she likes in it. Next thing was banana peppers. We might need a little more than that. We'll just go with it and we'll add more later if we need to. And now it's gonna need just a little bit of the juice from this. This is for the dressing that we're making to go in it. And then it's gonna need some mayonnaise. I'm eyeballing it. I'm gonna do 3 big old tablespoons of it. It's gonna need a little bit of olive oil. A tablespoon maybe. Some Italian seasoning. Just a little dusting. And some black pepper. Just a little dusting. Now we're gonna stir it up and see what we got. I love that, but I feel like we need a lot more of those. I'm basically almost using the whole jar. I might as well just use the whole jar. This would be so good with some boiled eggs in it too. Make it. It's good, ain't it?
Tastes like a Subway sandwich.
I know, right? Without the bread. It's good.
It's really good.
He's hobbling in here. Kind of got to jab it. No. It's good, isn't it?
Okay, guys, we have to try the strawberry lemonade that Mom made. It's been marinating for 24 hours. And I can't let them glasses. I just brushed my teeth and done coconut oil. And my neck tastes too good. That tastes good.
It is not bad.
Even after I done brushed my teeth, that still tastes good.
Y'all make some strawberry lemonade.
It tastes really good.
Love you. Stay classy. My friend Maria sent us some t-shirts. Her page is called Sun Chasers. Y'all need to go check it out. Look how cute the packaging is. Look. First of all, Jesus thinks I'm a delight. Oh, look. Is this me, Mom? I cannot wait. We don't have long now, y'all. Haley sent me a video today, and it... Oh, yes, Hannah, you gotta show it to her. Oh, Jesus saved Romans 10:9-10. I love you, Maria.
You can say that Kitten was popping while she was at work today.
Look. He was out there. Okay, this one's yours.
Oh, yeah.
She sent these cute little stickers, too.
We got this. Jesus saves.
Isn't that so cute?
USA shirt.
You might as well stay right here because I already know you're going to see what's in this box. We love Mickey Foods. Little Debbie. Summer soccer donut.
That's s'mores.
Oh.
I've never had a s'mores
S'mores muffins. Y'all want to try these?
Yes.
The gingerbread and the brownies.
I
The
love-
like little soccer fields.
I love any of their brownies. I hope these really do taste like s'mores. They smell like muffins.
I like it.
It smells like a straight up s'more.
Oh,
It just tastes like a sweeter
very sweet.
muffin. But it's good.
It's got marshmallow it tastes. What's the last one?
Okay.
You can have that.
No.